Welcome back. Today a video on how to get a list of unique values from a list of values. So here we go. So the first is a spilled function called a unique function, and it's really quite simple. Equals unique, and then we're just going to put the array of the area that has our duplicate values. Boom. There you have it. Now this is a spilled list. So if you look how this is, so I've got this first entry. You can see there's only 5 different names, and you have this list, and you can see how it's up here when the pointer's in this cell. If I move it down one, it's grayed out because it's spilling the data into this area of cells. And one of the things you have to be careful with is, let's say I've got something in here and I go to make my formula, and I use this function. Anytime you use a spilled list, you're gonna get an error. Okay, so you have a spill error because it wanted to spill into this area, but it couldn't do that because there's something in the way. See, something in the way. Did you get that? Anyway, so then we just delete that. Boom, there it is. Okay, so that's the first way to get a list of unique values. And working on this, you could create a drop down. If let's say you wanted to create a drop down list with this spilled list of values, that would work because this is always changing. If this list is always changing, you got this list of invoices is always changing, and you wanted to create a unique list from this list, you could do that. You just move the range all the way down to where you think you're going to have invoices, and then change it, and then you can have a unique drop-down list somewhere else. In any case, so the second way, so we're going to delete the second way to do this is to actually, you would just copy down this list and paste it. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to go to Data, Remove Duplicates in your data tools, and it says it's going to bring up the message, it found data next to your selection because there's something in a column here. And you're just like, no, just continue with the selection I have, and then click Remove Duplicates. Column K, that's correct. 31 duplicate values found and removed, 5 remain. And there you go. Pretty simple. Different applications for both of them. We can pick that up in different videos, later videos. But thanks for stopping by. Please hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Please subscribe to get content as it becomes available. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.